So we are talking about attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, or attention deficit disease. Now, there is a very brief kind of distinction between the two, and there are some doctors, some psychologists who will say ADHD and ADD to be the same disease. There are others who will say they have a brief distinction, and the brief distinction being that attention deficit hyperactivity disorder child will be more impulsive and will be less cooperative with children of his age group, will maybe having a bit of problem in mingling with the other children of his age group, whereas a child who is only ADD might be more friendly than an ADHD child with the peers of his age group. But again, both those diseases, the major problem which lies in the fact that the concentration span of the child is too low. Now, when we are doing any kind of work, a concentration span always is required to be on a particular, you can say, span. If I'm speaking on this live, or if you're reading something, if you're doing anything, we need to concentrate to do any work. And when we concentrate, the subconscious mind is there on a particular topic for a particular time span. The conscious mind perceives a particular thing, provides a signal to the subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind will focus on that particular task, and then we will be able to do the task to a greater degree of perfection. However, if that concentration span is too low, then from one task to other, from another task to somewhere other, the focus will be pretty less in all such cases. So over there, the concentration span will be very less as compared to what is required over there. So what needs to be done in such cases? The concentration span needs to be worked on for any child like this. Because when we talk about ADD, ADHD, there is nothing much that can be had from the allopathic perspective in such diseases. Nothing much. Some of them, the children may be given risperidone, ariprazole kind of things, or you can say working on the conscious mind, which sedate the conscious mind a bit, making the child a bit less hyperactive. Whereas in many other children, if the child is too slow with a lot of learning disabilities, the child may be given a bit of antidepressants also if the child is at a higher age. So a particular kind of treatment, if we say, no, nothing is available over there. So hope lies in Ayurveda for such diseases. There are multiple herbs, not just single herb. Depending upon the body type of the child, there are multiple herbs which work on the concentration span of the child and which can really help to improve that concentration span. Autism is a temporary phase in the life of a child if treated timely.
Patient name Parth, age 3 years, disease autism. Chief complaints: speech delay, hyperactivity, irritative behavior, less interaction, less understanding. The parents of the child consulted Dr. Navdeep Sharma on April 2023 at 1:09 p.m. and felt the scope of treatment to work for the child. He did not respond clearly and showed irritative behavior most of the times.
करो
आ जाएगा वो। कलर करो, वेरी गुड पार्ट, कलर करो। नो इस हैंड से कर, वेरी गुड, इसके अंदर रख दो, वेरी गुड। पापा का हैंड, दीदी का हैंड करो, हैंड चलो, वेरी गुड, खाओ, वेरी गुड। हेलो पेरेंट्स, पार्थ हेलो करो, हेलो करो। ये पार्थ है मेरा बेटा, 4 साल का होने वाला है। लास्ट ईयर जुलाई में हम डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा सर के यहाँ पहुँचे थे। हमें एक सर ने मेरे बताया था सर के बारे में। हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि आज 9 महीने में पार्थ मम्मा पापा हमसे बोलेगा इतनी जल्दी। हम तो मतलब बड़ा एक माँ पेरेंट्स के लिए रहता है कि कब हम मम्मा पापा सुनेंगे पार्थ के मुंह से। आज पार्थ मम्मा पापा और विद सेंस सब कुछ बोलता है। भगवान की कृपा से और सर की मेडिसिन और सर के गाइडेंस से आज 9 महीने में पार्थ एक नियर टू नॉर्मल लाइफ जी रहा है। और स्कूल में भी पार्थ प्ले ग्रुप में था। अभी जस्ट 15 दिन पहले ही स्कूल में मैम ने बोला कि पार्थ को हम नर्सरी में भेजेंगे। और जो सर ने जो लाइफ में हमारी खुशियाँ दी हैं, बहुत एक पेरेंट्स के लिए इससे ज़्यादा और क्या हो सकता है कि उसका बच्चा इतनी जल्दी और इतना अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाए, एक पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच हमारी लाइफ में इतनी बड़ी खुशियाँ देने के लिए। थैंक यू एंडी निरोगम।
Call now to connect with world's senior most Ayurvedic healer, Dr. Navdeep Sharma, and gift your child autism-free life.